Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one. We have here a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this one in the additional of today's newspaper of Monday, August the 3rd, 2020. Yes, in the additional with extra Sudokus, we have here a tectonic number 1, 2, 7, and 9. So let's get started. Do we have here a single box? That's the question. Do we have here a single box? I cannot see the single box. Only a dual box. Here we have a dual box. The 1 and the 2. Let me mark them. Here also the 1 and the 2. A dual box. A quadrat box. 2 numbers are filled in. So the 3 and the 2 are left. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Here also a quadrat box. The 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Then we have a 5 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here or could be there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 3. Do not know in which order. 1 and a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be in this box or that box. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I have eliminated the 3, so the 3 should be there. These 2 should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 4. This box cannot be a 1. I think this should be the 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it should be the 5. So I have eliminated the 2. 2 goes there, and the 1 goes here. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be in one of those 2 boxes. That means this box cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3 or 5. Alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so we have a pair, the 4 and the 3. I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. That means this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this should be the 1, and this should be the 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. And this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in one of those two boxes. This box should be a 5. It cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So these two should be 1 and a 2 as a pair. For 3, one, two. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or there. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1 or 4. I need a 1 and a 4 there. So cannot be a 2. So 2 numbers left, the 3 or the 5. Alright, so these two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. Two. Look, we have a 1 and a 2 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1 and a 2. We have 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 2. Should be these 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 already there. So this should be the 1. This should be the 2. This should be the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 3. We have a 2 here, so this should be the 1 and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here, that means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 could be here or could be there. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. The 1 goes with the 5 as a pair. This box should be the 3.